My name is Scott Wilmuth, and I'm your GLEO instructor for the genetic engineering session. Welcome to our first session on genetic engineering. I'm so excited to see you guys, and I'm so excited to hear about what you're going to have to say in regards to our in-depth discussions on genetic engineering and all the different aspects of genetic engineering that go along with it. But before we do that, just to give you a little reminder of what you've done so far. So far in our first session, you should have looked at your personality sorter and seen what kind of personality you are, where you fit in, and how your personality is going to play a role in who you are, especially as a leader. I'm an INTJ when it comes on the personality sorter. I'm an introverted thinker, but I do like to discuss and get in deep with some certain details. So I look forward to doing that with you. You also should have done a Zoom activity. I love the Zoom activity. That when I first saw that, I just fell in love with that. And I like the different perspectives that you see with all the different pictures as it gets bigger and bigger. Which perspective is the most important? That's one thing we're going to talk about a lot in our sessions, is which activity is most important, or which viewpoint is most important. It's very, very good stuff, and it's all connected. And we're going to try to build this GLEO community with you guys, and we're looking forward to doing that. You're also going to get together with partners, a partner or partners, and work on a final project for us at the end, which I'm really excited to see. And if you have some questions about what that should look like, make sure you look at session 13 when you go into the GLEO site, and look at some references and things down there of some videos that I've put in for you. So go in there and check those out. Man, I'm looking forward to this. This is our first session together on the course you signed up for. So let's check out what we're going to be doing today. You signed up for a course on genetic engineering. Genetic engineering deals with our friend DNA, right? DNA composes all living things. There's nothing alive that doesn't have DNA in it. But what's cool about DNA is that it's in the same shape and it's made of the same things called nucleotides that make up us, that make up the trees, that make up the bacteria in this room. The same DNA makes up all living things. So what can scientists do with them? Well, now scientists have the technology to take a piece of DNA from this organism, take it out, and put it into this organism. And we call that manipulating the genes, right? They can take one and put it into the other and see what they can create. It is unbelievably cool, but unbelievably controversial, and there's a lot of issues that go along with that. Ethical issues, moral issues, political issues. It's unreal. It's good stuff. All right, so we're going to talk about things in this lesson on genetic engineering like DNA, like a genome, right? A genome is your entire DNA, right? It's your entire genes, it's your whole genetic code put together, and how scientists can manipulate our genomes a little bit. We come across a word like transgenic. Transgenic means is an organism that has DNA from a foreign source put into it. All right, like they've combined jellyfish, put jellyfish DNA into a monkey. They've done it. That monkey is a transgenic organism. And bioengineered is another term where you've taken DNA from one source and put it into another, and you've engineered something new. This is unbelievably cool stuff. I dig it. I hope you dig it. And I'm looking forward to working with you for the next few sessions. Go ahead and click on our activity and start our lesson on genetic engineering. Have fun.